Let's record people recording us.
Too many legends in one
Look at this. I will record you and you record them.
TTC Aces.
Frankenswitch, Keldlack stems, and oil king housings.
Gateron box ink pink, which I'm wearing. And earrings.
Cherry Hyperglads. Unlubed MX Blacks.
Topra.
MX Blacks. The Durax Sunflowers.
Long pull tactile.
Psychos.
SKCM Ambers.
Boba U4 Thok. TTC Flame Reds. JWK Blueies.
Gateron Oil King.
TTC Ace.
Duroc T1.
Kale Razor Greens. Zaku.
Tactiles, I like Zykos or Brown Elf. Linears, I like OP Blacks.
TTC Gold Pinks.
Linears, tungsten, and tactile cloth prototype.
Cream Sodas. Stock Gat Pro Yellows.
Lavender.
I like MX Browns.
Meteor whites with Unga Bunga stems, so it's a Frankenswitch.
Strawberry Jelly V2s.
Studio 43, OP Blacks.
TTC Blue Silence.
TTC Hollow Halos.
MX Blacks with a triple stage spring, 63.5 gram, broken in.
MX Blacks.
TTC Hearts.
TTC Aces.
Namazus.